snow and bedded the calves. And it's a blizzard. It is officially a blizzard, and it is so nice to have this little tractor. So nice to have the cab and the heat and the air conditioning actually too, because it was foggy. Turned the air button on and got rid of some of the fog. So nice to have front wheel assist. It's just nice. Cut this bale of plastic already from the other. Normally I wouldn't pick it up in the front, but to be quite truthful, I do not feel like putting my 3-point on right now, attachment. I'm just going to rock this back easy, see if I can't get it to slide on there better. As much as I'll get. I'll just go slow. I know this loader is rated for this. I'm just guessing on what these bales weigh, because these bales are weighed, or are baled. This hay is baled with moisture on purpose, so I think ideally you shoot for 50% moisture, but we don't live in a perfect world, and so you just guess. The moisture is what it is, so you kind of have to guess on the weight. We're going to take it out of creeper gear. We'll just go along as slow as we can. Slow as we can. This might be a little too fast actually, so still learning what gear to have what. Well, let's see, I think I was first. Maybe not. This feels a little better. It does feel heavy. It's hard to explain, but my rear wheels there is some weight in there. I think it's calcium chloride or something in those tires. So, but it does feel a little lighter back here, but it could be my imagination. But we're going to go as low as we can. And we're going to go pretty slow. Whoa, there goes a cat. Willie says it's windy. So we are officially in a storm here. The wind is blowing hard. I don't know how hard. Very hard. Yeah, I can feel it. I can feel it. I wouldn't want to do this very often, that's for sure. It feels like the rear tires just a little lighter when we go down hills. Probably could even go a little slower. I'm in first, but I'm not in my creeper or my slow gear. There's 3 other variations of each gear you can go. And I have 4 gears. So a total of 12. So, but we're here. We made it. And the cows say none too fast for us. Set that down. And I am going to, I think I'm going to cut it now and then flip it up. Try that. It's nice to get out of the wind and the cold just for a minute. Warm up. So I pushed some of this, mostly snow and mostly hay, so if they wanted to go through it, they can. Just to keep it kind of clean through here. This knife is so much better than the one I used to use, but it's getting a little dull. I do not love this net wrap, but I understand it. It's such a pain, and I feel like I can never get it all. And it wraps around the buttons in my coat. Finally, I find that highly annoying. Worst things in life. Just going to take this down. Probably a good idea to put this knife back folded so less risk of injury. Once I get this set up, they'll be happy. Like I said before, they 2 days early with this, but it's cold. They're like us. When it gets cold and windy, they just want to eat. So I'm going to allow them to do that. Heart's content. Get some dry bedding. Sure, you can't hear me at all anyway. flip this up. Now I could just feed it like that. I tried it once before. Didn't seem like I had any less waste. Just drop the feeder. Obviously I can't until I get the flip up and get the plastic off. I get as much of that stuff off as I can so they don't eat it. Go back to our creeper gear here. Okay. Let's see if we can't lift this thing up just a little. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna have to put my foam down here before I make a mess of this bale. Usually I have my loader on and I do this and it's easier. But we'll see. Almost. Oh. Yep. Maybe I'll just push it off that and then leave it. I'll try that. I only tried it this position once. Usually I flip it on in and then feed it. Honestly, I just gotta push it off, but I don't know if I can get this done though. One way or another we'll get it done. Get off of here. Come on. Just a little further. There we go. I guess we'll leave it like that. Alright, I think I'm gonna put this thing away. I'm done with it. We don't need to keep it running for no reason. Pull that stuff off. Throw the ring over. Let the cattle back in. And then, you can't see, but I put some wood chips in there for the calves. Homegrown wood chips. Renting that wood chipper was a good deal. I had a bunch of trees and branches, some from me, some from the neighbor. And actually, yeah, this will work. Kind of see, I'm almost out of it. I had it piled out to about the second set of posts here. All these chips and cardboard and I'm gonna go slower. Turn this down. I like to go slow in here so I don't take out my posts, even though this tractor's a lot skinnier than the old one. I still would rather not break my posts. That's probably good. Okay. I'll just set my brake so that I won't remember when I back out and kill the tractor. So there's the wood chips, what's left of it. I just had a bunch of wood. Some were log sticks, some were just gnarly branches and a little bit of cardboard, and works great for bedding. Then it becomes compost, and then it becomes fertilizer, and it works really good as dry bedding, and it smells pretty good. That's where this is. Now there's corn stalks in here as well, but you can tell the snow, obviously the way it's blowing today, it still blows in here, so this helps just to dry it out. This actually works really nice. It just takes a while to get enough wood, but I get it all for free, other than what a chainsaw costs to run, which is really not much at all, and the wood chipper to rent was like $175 for a couple of days of chipping. Corn stalks in there to rebed, and everybody in the cattle department will be happy, including me.